10 minutes, we get you a look of the weather. Let's check in now. Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sean Macaday. Sean, we are seeing some air quality alerts here as well, correct?
Yeah, things are just not good across the middle part of the country. This has been the pattern for the past month. It's the jet stream taking a big ridge up to our north, and what this allows is huge heat, a large amount of heat to just accumulate down in Texas, where they're dealing with all-time high temperatures, well above 100 degrees the past week. And then you also start to get some smog, some ozone at times. That's what we were dealing with last week. But then at times you also get little kinks in the jet stream that whiz on through at times and bring us some Canadian wildfire smoke. So we just can't win. When a jet stream is one way, we're getting wildfire smoke. When it's on the other way, we're getting ozone. And because it's just mostly staying in this pattern, we just continue to just feel the impacts of hot temperatures for June and all this smoke. We're feeling the smoke right now this morning. Now everywhere is at the point where it is unhealthy for everybody, and I need to tell you that you should be really limiting any exercise and even time outside. It's not healthy. Some people I do think, what am I going to do? And then they'll just spend most of the day outside. You really, really don't be wanting to do that. There's a lot of upcoming research up and coming, I should say, which is showing us that air quality pollution, even on a day-to-day basis like this, has true impacts on your cognitive abilities. If you have a big test or presentation today or a big decision, maybe you delay that until when the smoke gets better. It has been shown that this pollution does impact your cognitive abilities. By Thursday evening, things should be wrapping up. Still tomorrow morning, it's rather impacted. The alert ends tonight at midnight. 63 right now. The rain is starting to move out in Mason City, but it's starting to feel kind of humid. Still raining in Rochester right now. Let's take a look at that radar. Rain continues to push from west to east, now moving finally out of places like Howard County. Still raining in Howard County, but soon within the next half hour, it'll be gone. Fillmore County, still another hour left. In Rochester, you probably got just less than an hour. Temps in the mid-60s this morning. How hot do we get today? Well, after the rain moves out, then we can start to talk about these warming temps, and that'll be happening really quickly. Upper 70s by lunchtime, low to mid-80s this afternoon, with an evening chance for an isolated thunderstorm. Watch that here. This is a brand new computer model run, so I haven't seen it. Early afternoon, sunny. It's windy too, and it's clear. And in this latest computer model run, actually didn't spit out anything. Can't say I'm too surprised. Most of the chance tonight is going to be closer to Wisconsin. It has shifted east, but there is a chance if temperatures are warm enough, if this smoke isn't as dense as it looks, that something could pop up with an isolated thunderstorm chance. Those chances aren't great, so don't count on it, but if something does pop up, do know it could be quite strong. Thursday, Friday, it's pretty much the same thing, not quite as strong. It's sunny, it's humid, and then there's an isolated chance in the evening. This weekend, though, things start to clear out. I could see some rain in North Iowa on Saturday morning, but then things should start to dry out for the rest of the weekend.
Great. And even though rain does put a little bit of a halt on some outdoor plans, it's very much needed.
Very much needed. I'll go over those numbers coming up.
Thanks, Sean.